Dad and Little Dude. Why did you have to mouth that? Welcome back to Dad and Little Dude Play. Today we are unboxing the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem Leonardo toy.
Just kidding.
And also we're filming it in the new studio. As we can see, we got some lights.
This is our new studio area. We got lights, camera, and
Action!
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle action.
Let's open it up.
Whoa, wait, is this retro?
No, it's like more drawing-ish.
Which Ninja Turtle is this?
Leonardo.
And what is Leonardo known for?
He's known as the leader in most of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles stuff.
In the cartoons, not in the movie. Except the new movie, right?
Yeah.
The old movie, who's the leader?
Raphael, apparently. But Raphael does say, so that's the plan from our great leader.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah. I never said I was a great leader.
I thought I was a crappy leader.
He never says he's a crappy leader. Oh shoot, we need some scissors.
Scissors? What? I don't have any scissors.
Hold on,
That's not a real knife. Or a katana. What's it called?
Katana. That's dangerous. Don't try this at home, kids.
Look, it's made to just unhook on the back. You don't even need a sharp object.
Alright, so that's Leonardo. So he has a bunch of points of articulation, allowing for more movie style movement, I guess. And wait, hold on, the foot is all weird.
The foot?
Yeah, the foot. If you know what that is, comment down below.
Unless comments are turned off, because apparently if YouTube thinks the video is made for kids, they the comments. So if you'd like to comment, send an email to...
Here's the Leonardo. Something I don't really like about these toys is that sometimes you can like make their arm bend backward.
Ooh, that's called hyperextension, and you could go to the hospital for one of those.
So I try twisting them around a little bit, and
But
it does.
sick! Don't do that.
Wait. So let's just do this a little bit. There. This is Leonardo. He has an L, some ninja stars.
What does his brothers call him for short?
Leo.
Yeah, Leo, we know. We know you think you're so good, Leo, because you're the leader, Leo.
A few fun facts about Jim Henson, aka the creator of Muppets. If he didn't exist for the time he did, sadly he died.
He had an untimely death.
Anyway, this was actually the last like full theatrical movie. That was the last movie he worked on.
Wait. He worked on Ninja Turtles?
So the turtles obviously aren't real because they didn't have those good special effects yet, like in the newer Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle live action movies.
They're not that good.
Yeah, the newer ones I don't really like.
The older ones, I don't know if it's the story that's better, but they are definitely more likable than the new ones.
If you're a cartoon person, I recommend watching Mutant Mayhem.
Yeah, that's where they say that Leonardo is the leader. Leonardo leads, Donatello does machines.
Raphael's cool but rude. Michelangelo's a party dude. And so he made the costumes for people to wear. They would wear this animatronic helmet thing
With a bunch of like little motors in it that would like...
that the face could move, except it won't move by itself. Instead, someone else off screen would control
If the
helmet.
eyebrows went up, or the mouth moved, or the nose did something weird.
And they can talk and stuff, except I don't think the helmets actually talk, just the actors talk. And in like this presentation thing on Facebook or something, they said that like two people have to act like one.
Yeah, so you got the guy inside the suit that does all the physical moves, and then you got the guy that runs the animatronics in the face, and they both have to work together so that it looks like it's one character.
And Jim Henson, they gave the character designs to Jim Henson, and he made the suit for all the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Splinter and the New Mutants in the other live action movies. Not
Splinter's kind of weird though.
Yeah, it looks more like a puppet, except when it like says something with ooh, he goes like, who are you? And you could actually see that's not just like some puppets, like Kermit the Frog.
We also decided Splinter in the first movie is better than Splinter in the second movie. Why?
If you've watched the
And when I say second movie, I'm talking the new movie. Anyway, Splinter, how come we don't like him in the newer ones?
He's very grumpy, angry.
And
He tortures the turtles. He whacks them with his tail, which apparently hurts. He like uses it as a whip.
What would you do if you had a tail?
I would
Wait. Would you rather have a tail or be able to read people's minds?
be able to read people.
Okay, that's a lot better than a tail.
Yes, what would you do with a tail?
I don't even think I'd want a tail for anything.
If I'm gonna have a tail, I'm gonna have 2 tails, just like Tails.
Oh,
From
yeah.
Sonic
Then you
the
can fly.
Hedgehog.
Okay, if your
Yeah.
tails can make you fly, would you rather be able to read people's minds or have 2 tails like
Why
tails?
would you want to read people's mind? Tails!
All right, fair enough.
All right, and back to the review. All right, so there's this. All right, we need scissors now, literally.
Hold this.
I'm holding it. So there's this like rack thing with weapons and pizza and stuff, and they pop out apparently. My friend at my Taekwondo class told me. And there's a turtle, which I'm guessing is Leonardo before he is mutated.
Oh, this is baby Leo?
Yeah,
Oh, he's so cute. He looks just like his dad.
his dad.
I don't know who his dad is.
Splinter.
It even
Look.
says he's the leader right here. What a shit. If I was
Hey, look.
Raph, I'd be so mad.
Even on the back, it says, busting out the New York series are 4 bodacious brothers ready to kick butt.
Hey, bleep.
Born from mysterious mutant ooze, these tubular turtles and their radical rat dad have trained in the art of Jiu-Jitsu to become a bad guy bashing super team. With their buddy April O'Neil, they're about to face the gnarliest mutants the world has ever seen.
Yeah.
Leonardo can hold the Quintanas?
Anyway, you should tell everybody this is not your first Leonardo.
Yeah.
Mr. Loser. No, you're not a loser. I'm just saying you lost the other one.
Yes, I lost the other one and my mom couldn't find it because my room is messy. He can hold the knife, or Quintanas or whatever, twin Quintana on his
Katana.
clip and collect.
Wait, is that the little lady on Mortal Kombat?
Yeah.
Katana wins. Okay. Who do you think would win? Leonardo or Sub-Zero?
Well, Leonardo doesn't really have any superpowers other than Wheel of Fortune, dude! Name that Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle movie in the comments. Hey, Mikey! Wheel of Fortune, dude! Yeah.
Do you know what Wheel of Fortune is?
No.
It used to be a game show that was on.
I guess they're not game show fans, and I thought everyone loved Vanna. I have no idea who Vanna
You don't know who Vanna White is. You don't know Wheel of Fortune. I think Wheel of Fortune might still be on. I don't know.
I know Jim Henson. And also, he has this thing on his back where you can put the Quintanas in
Oh, cool.
and store them. And then maybe you could just use these to decorate your room or something.
What is this one right here?
That
Is
is,
that a lightsaber or a flashlight?
this is a knife.
No, I'm talking about this one.
This is radioactive ooze.
Ooh. Anything else?
No, that's about it. That comes with the Leonardo. Oh, and also, all of them come with a clip and collect. Like there's Leonardo, Raphael, Donatello, Michelangelo, Splinter, Rocksteady, Bebop, Superfly, and Leatherhead.
Why
They're
does Donatello look all weird?
Cause since Nickelodeon bought the freaking Ninja Turtles, I like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles more when Nickelodeon didn't have them. Don't worry, it's just a mask. It's just a mask. Have you seen the video where the cat plays chopsticks with chopsticks? I liked it when the other company owned it. I don't remember the name.
Yeah, me neither. That's kind of what happened
Yeah.
with Star Wars. When Lucasfilm had it versus Disney, I think it was just better before Disney got a hold of it.
I'm pretty sure Lucasfilm and Disney worked together to make it.
Well, they did, but it would have been better the other without Disney probably. But then we wouldn't have all the awesome rides at Disney World, Disneyland.
You mean the 3 awesome rides?
Yes.
For some reason, Star Tours is not at Galaxy's Edge, which is the Star Wars themed area.
It's 'cause-
Instead, you have to walk through Muppet Studios. How did this become a Teenage Mutant
I don't
Ninja
know.
Turtles
I'm just
thing?
saying.
Star Wars thing.
Star Tours is on that side of Disneyland, Disney World, because it wasn't part of
What?
the new Star Wars stuff. Because they've been using it since like the 70s.
Oh,
or
and
80s.
I Googled this thing and I figured out when Rise of Resistance happens. Apparently, it happens before Rise of Skywalker, but after the episode before that.
I've gone mad. Okay. All right. Is that it?
That's pretty much it for Leonardo, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem toy.
Okay, so if anybody wants it, where did you get it and how much was it?
I think it's about $5 on Amazon.
Was it $5? I know Mom felt bad for you and got you another one. Okay, $5, Amazon. Have you seen any other older ones from the first? Because when I was a kid, we had the Ninja Turtles from the first movie. Have you seen those anywhere?
I've seen this like pack, Leonardo versus Shredder, like on Amazon.
How much is it?
Like $700.
What?
Just like the Gonzo puppet There's like this really cool Gonzo puppet on eBay, but guess what?
What?
$665.
Okay, well, there you have it. If you got a rich mom and dad, or if you are rich, you can buy those. If you're even into Gonzo or the other
Muppets.
Ninja Turtles or whatever.
All right, so we will see you in the next episode.
Thanks for watching.
Yo!
If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to ring that bell and subscribe. We upload every Saturday. So we upload one video a week, and it's on Saturday.